Hi guys, I'm Charlotte from Killer Beauty, and today I will be showing you how to wrap your permanent makeup machine. This is essential for every individual treatment, and wrapping your machine protects you, your clients, and your equipment from any cross-contamination. What type of cover you use will depend on your preference, but we're going to demonstrate today using a barrier film and grip tape. The key is to ensure that the entire surface of your machine is completely covered and protected, as any gaps or tears can put your clients at risk. With this type of cover, simply place the cover over your machine and fold over any excess material. You can then use your favourite grip wrap to secure the cover in place, ensuring there are no gaps or spaces. The grip wrap will keep the cover in place and provide a comfortable, secure grip of your machine during the procedure. You can then attach your needle cartridge to the machine, double checking for any rips or gaps that could increase risk of cross-contamination. One common mistake in PMU is that people leave a gap between the grip wrap and where the needle is connected to the machine. This means that the grip of the machine can then come into contact with blood, pigment and any other fluids, which will be unsafe for your next client. After your treatment is finished, you can unwrap your machine and place all covers and additional grip wrap into your clinical waste. For your next client, you will need to disinfect your space and recover your equipment with a clean, fresh cover. In this demo, we have used a wireless machine, but wired machines are different and require additional protection. Everything used in your treatment must be covered properly, including your tray or trolley, your power supply and power cord if you use one. Anything that is not being disposed of in your clinical waste post-treatment should be completely protected to ensure a safe treatment. That means items that cannot be covered, like aftercare or pigment bottles, must be removed from the workspace before the treatment begins. If you are using a product like Hustle Butter Deluxe, many artists place some products on their covered tray prior to the treatment and use a clean cotton bud to apply during procedure. We hope you found this video useful and learned something about protecting your equipment in the PMU setup. Keeping your workspace clean and safe is essential to deliver safe and successful treatments. Cutting corners when it comes to safety is just not worth it and can risk harm to your client, your business and your reputation. Check out the link in the description to shop our full range of protection covers. Available now on the Killer Beauty website. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for product reviews, free educational content and exclusive artist interviews. Only available on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel.